Hello, welcome to our Children's Garden check-in. My name's Kelsey. I'll be doing our check-in this week. And I'm gonna take off my mask because I'm away from my coworkers and I'm filming myself. And so I'm gonna make sure that I'm safe. But I want you to be able to hear me and see me a little bit better. So I'm gonna take this off. This week, I'm gonna be showing you differences of plants and talk about diversity. Diversity means having a lot of different types of plants or animals or people in one place together, and how all of those things have different jobs and different things that they're good at. And so the first plant I'm going to show you is right behind me. Can anybody guess what plant this is?
If you guessed wheat, you're exactly right. So our wheat has dried up and the stems and leaves and flowers have all turned brown, which means that now it's time to harvest. Harvest means to pick. And we pick the part of the wheat that comes out of the flower. So this is a wheat seed that we harvest, and then we grind it up to make flour. We use flour to make bread.
But another reason why people plant wheat is because it has really strong roots. And the roots help to hold on to the soil and also to break up clods or really hard soil to make room for when we plant something here next. It's also good to plant plants of different sizes in the garden. Behind me, you can see we have one of the first mammoth sunflowers blooming right now. And the sunflowers, they give nectar and pollen to bees and other pollinators. And then later on in the season, they feed the birds who love to come and eat the seeds. But you can see here we have very tall sunflowers.
And then below our mammoth sunflowers, we've planted some shorter plants like our basil and parsley. And those shorter plants take up the space that the sunflowers leave at the bottom. Some plants, like this squash, we plant for their fruits. Some plants we plant for their roots. Some plants, like this lavender, feed bees and attract them to our garden so that they can pollinate our crops.
Some plants are a home for our praying mantises
and our ladybugs, both of which are very helpful in the garden at keeping pests away from our vegetables and fruits.
So as you can see, in our garden we have many different kinds of plants that look different. They have different jobs. They're different sizes and shapes and colors. Some are habitat, some are food, all of which are important and make our garden more interesting and beautiful, and also help our garden to work better. I hope that you will join Miss Tarnisha on Friday morning for her reading of One Love by Cedella Marley. And I would like to say on behalf of all of the Children's Garden staff how much we miss you and how much we cannot wait to welcome you back into the garden so that we can learn about our garden together. Thanks for watching. Have a good week.